Om Shanti. Good morning. Today we will go through English Abhyakt Murli. That is 24th January 2021. The original date of Abhyakt Murli is 17 October 1987. The decoration of Brahmin life is purity. Brahman life का गहना है पवित्रता. Today Babdada is looking at his children from everywhere in the world who are particularly going to be worthy of worship. Out of the whole world, so few become invaluable, worthy of worship jewels. Only the worthy of worship jewels become the special light of the world. Just as when there is no light, there is no life in a body, there is no world. In the same way, if in this world there were not you the elevated, worthy of worship soul, you lights of the world would have no importance. The golden age, the first age, and the Sotopradhan age, the new world begins with these special souls. You worthy of worship souls are the image of support for the new world. So, you souls have so much importance. You worthy of worship souls are the new lights for the world. Your stage of ascending becomes instrumental in taking the world into its elevated stage. When you enter the stage of falling down, the world too enters into the stage of falling down. When you are transformed, the world is also transformed. You are such great soul with such importance. Today, Bap Dada was looking at all the children. To become a Brahmin means to become worthy of worship. Because Brahmin means deities and deities means worthy of worship. All deities are worthy of worship. Nevertheless, they are definitely number-wise. Some deities are worshipped regularly in the right way and some deities are not. Even action of some deities is worshipped, whereas for others not all of their actions are worshipped. Some are decorated in the right way every day, whereas others are not decorated every day. They are superficially decorated, but not with the right method. In front of some deities, devotional songs are sang all the time, whereas those songs are only sang sometimes in front of other. What is the reason for all of this? All of you are called Brahmin. All of you study knowledge and yoga. And yet, why is there this difference? There is a difference in dharana. However, do you know on the basis of which particular dharana it becomes number wise? The special basis of becoming worthy of worship is purity. The more you adopt all types of purity, the more you become worthy of worship in every way. Those who easily adopt purity constantly with the right method as their original and eternal virtue are those who become worthy of worship with the right method. What are all the types of purity? Those souls who easily and automatically fulfill their responsibilities in all their connection and relationship to all souls, whether in knowledge or without knowledge, through their every thought, words and deed with a constantly pure attitude. Vision and vibration are said to have all type of purity. Even in your dreams, let nothing be lacking in adopting all type of purity for yourself and for other. For instance, if celibacy is broken even in your dreams, or if you perform actions or speak to another souls under the influence of jealousy or anger, if your interaction with that one is based on even a stress of anger, that would also be considered to be breaking the vow of purity. Just think about it. If even dreams have such an effect, then how much effect would action performed physically have? This is why an idol that is damaged is never worthy of worship. Damaged idols are not placed in the temples. They stay in the museum of today. Devotee too not go there. There is just their praise. These are very old idols, that is all. They call the damage of the physical limbs breakage, but in fact, if there is some breakage of observing purity in any way, then that soul becomes deprived of receiving a worthy of worship status. In the same way, if all four types of purity are observed in the right way, then the worship too is in the right way. Purity in your mind, words, action, relationship and connection are included in action, and dreams is called complete purity. Because of carelessness, some children just try to make do and move along with the older ones or younger ones, saying that my intention was very good, but the words just came out, or that was not my aim, but it just happened, or I only said that or did that as a joke. This is also making do, and that is why the worship of you is also just making do. This carelessness makes you number wise. In the stage of being fully worthy of worship, this too is accumulated in the account of impurity. You are told that the sign of worthy of worship pure soul is that all four types of their purity will be natural, easy and constant. They do not have to think about it, but the dharana of purity automatically makes their thoughts, words, deeds and dreams accurate. Firstly, accurate means to be yogyukt, and secondly, accurate means that every thought would have meaning. It would not be meaningless. You would not say, I said it just like that for the sake of it. It just came out. I just did it, or it just happened. Such pure souls remain constantly accurate and yogyukti in every action, that is through their whole day's activity. This is why every action of such soul is worshipped, that is their whole day's activity is worshipped. A viewing is given of all their different activities from the time they wake up to the time they go to sleep. If any action is not accurate or not constantly according to the timetable created for Brahmin life, then because of that difference, there will be a difference in the way that you are worshipped. For instance, if someone is not disciplined when it comes to waking up at Amrit Vela, then in their worship too, their worshipper will also fluctuate when it comes to worshipping them. That is, the worshipper will also not wake up at the right time and worship them. They will only worship them when it suits them. So else, if at Amrit Bela they do not experience an awakened stage, if sometimes they sit under compulsion, sometimes with laziness and sometimes with alertness, then their worshipper too will worship them under compulsion or laziness. They will not worship them in the right way. In this way, even action of the timetable affect their becoming worthy of worship, not to move along in the right way. To fluctuate in any part of the timetable is also counted as a trace of impurity, because laziness and carelessness are also vices. Any action that is not accurate is a vice. Therefore, that is a trace of impurity. Is it not? Because of this, you become number wise in attaining a worthy of worship status. So, what is the foundation? That is the purity. The dharana of purity is very deep. The ways and means of action are based on purity. Purity is not just about gross things. Simply to be celibate or to remain free from attachment is not called purity. Purity is the decoration of Brahmin life. Let others experience the decoration of purity from your face and your activity at every moment. Let the decoration of purity always be revealed in a practical way in your eyes, your mouth, hands, and feet. Let anyone who looks at your face experience purity in your feature, just as they speak of other types of feature. Similarly, let them say that purity is visible in your features, that there is sparkle of purity in your eyes and the smile of purity on your lips. Let them not see anything else. This is called being an image that is decorated with the decoration of purity. Do you understand? There is a lot more depth to purity, which you will hear more about later. Just as the philosophy of action is deep, so too the definition of purity is also very deep. And purity is the foundation. Acha, today those came from Gujarat. Those from Gujarat are always dancing and singing with lightness. No matter how heavy they may be physically, but they become light and dance. The speciality of Gujarat is that they always remain light, they always dance in happiness and continue to sing song of the Father and their attainment. From childhood they sing and dance very well. What do they do in Brahmin life? A Brahmin life means a life of pleasure. When you have Garba race, dancing in unity in a circle, you enjoy yourself, do you not? If you did not enjoy yourselves, you would not be able to do that for long. When you are enjoying yourselves and are intoxicated, you do not feel tired. You become tireless. So Brahmin life means a life of constantly remaining in pleasure. The other is physical pleasure, whereas Brahmin life is pleasure of the mind. Let the mind always continue to dance and sing in pleasure. Those people have the practice of being light and dancing and singing, so they do not find it difficult to be double light in their Brahmin life. So those from Gujarat means those who constantly have the practice of remaining light, those who are always blessed. So the whole of Gujarat has received this blessing of being double light. You also received blessing through the Murli, do you not? Now you are told that everything in your world happens according to capacity and the time. Age is the capacity, so is the result. In the subtle region, there is no language for anything being according to capacity. Here both day and night have to be considered. There is neither day or night, neither does the sun rise, nor is there the moon. It is beyond both. You have to go there, do you not? In your heart-to-heart conversation, you children asked till when? Bab-Dada replied, if you children say that you are ready, then Bab-Dada can do it now. There would then be no question of when. The question when will only arise for as long as the whole rosary is not yet ready. Now, when you sit to extract the names 108, you would have to think whether to include someone's name or not. Now in the rosary of 108, everyone should give the same 108 names. Nevertheless, there will be a difference. Bab Dada can clap now and everything can instantly begin to happen now. With the element and also people, that would not take long. However, the Father loves all the children. He will hold your hand, for only then will you go with him. To put your hand in his hand means to become equal. You would say not everyone will become equal, or not everyone will become number one. However, following number one is number two. That beads may not become equal to the Father, but it would at least be like the number one bead. The third bead would be like the second bead. The fourth bead would be like the third bead. At least they should become equal in that way, and by each one coming close to the next, the rosary will be prepared. To reach such a stage means to become equal. The 180th bead would be similar to the 107th bead. If they have specialities like those, like each other, the rosary will be prepared. It has to be number wise. Do you understand? The Father asks, is there anyone now who can guarantee and say, yes, everyone is ready? It would only take Bab Dada a second. You used to be shown those scenes when Baba would clap and angel would come. Today blessing, may you be a double light angel who donates virtue through your deeds. May you be a double light angel who donate virtue through your deeds. Explanation: the face and deed of the children who donate virtue through their deeds are seen as those of angel. They experience themselves to be double light. That is, they are light, bright, and also light means weightless. They do not feel anything to be a burden. The experience helps in every action they perform as though some power is making them move. Because of being great donor in all their actions, they receive blessing and good wishes from everyone. Today's slogan: become a star of success in service, do not be weak. Become a star of success in service, then do not be weak. Om Shanti. Have a good day. God bless you.